Good morning, friends. This is JJ Master. My name is JJ Master. This is what I do every early in the morning to give myself good health. I have to do fitness, I have to do press up every early in the morning. If you don't want to sick anytime, if you don't want to sick every time, just keep yourself good fitness every early in the morning. It will help you, it will make you strong, it will make you look healthy, and it will give you some good structure in your body, make your body structure look fine. You understand? So this is what I do in the morning. Just watch out. Every day in the morning, if you can give yourself like 15 to 20 press up every day, you see that your body will look good. Just watch out. Yes, watch out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good morning, sir. I'm fine, how are you, sir?
So that's 20. You can still do this one. You can still do this one. You can still do this one. Stand like this. Stand straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 20. You can still do this one. You can still do this one.
I'm fine, how are you, sir?
That's 50. That one help you to give you this one. Yes, so another one you can do, you can still do this one for your waist. You can still do this one.
Is it on board?
That's 20. That will help you to make your knee, this joint, to make it strong. Because you see a lot of people, sometimes, even when you are trekking, you'll be falling down. So if you fall like that, that means you have problem here. So what you do, every early in the morning, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. Don't forget, I did 20 before. I also do 10. That's 30. If you do like that, you see that your knee will make noise when you are doing it. Your knee will make noise. Brak, brak, brak. It means that it's setting. And you can also do this one like this. You can also do this one like this.
Bring over to the fire.
Just that I'm tired. So, you can also do this one.
I can't see the game, but I don't know the body. She entered here.
Yes. So that will help you to straight here, first place. Because there are some people normally have pained in their waist around here. So if you always do that, it stretches you this place and this place. So let's go back on press up at least. Let's go back on press up at least 10 times. Or at least 10, sorry. Are you watching me?
I don't really know. Can I say something like a money gun? We get the habits.
I'm just tired this time. I did 12. So if you do it every day, you see that your body structure will look good. You yourself, when you remove your clothes, please, you will look fine. You see yourself and you're happy. We still do another one for here and here. That's to make this place look fine. Nice place. Watch out.
Alright, go to your setting. When you get to your setting, where you normally see that box changing, you click on that arrow. No, the last one. So on that last one, now you see an arrow that points for the changing box.
Yes, if you do that one, you make this place and this place you grow up. I did 5. Just that I'm tired. Sometimes I normally do 10, 15. But on your own you can do 12, 15, 100. Depends on how your power be. Do you understand? So another thing you can do, it's part of training. You can do this one. You can do it.
I don't know how we can work it. Fancy baby.
So, all these things can help you when you sometimes you come across challenges like army or any force stop you or giving you punishment. You can show them that you can do it. Do you understand? So there's another one. There's another one. There's another one. If you can do something like this, you can do something. There's another one I want to do now. That one help you to give you 6 packs. So you can do this thing. I do 30 because I'm really tired. Sometimes I used to do 40, 50. I'm tired. I'm not the instructor, but I just feel like to show you people what I normally do every early in the morning. I'm a comedian. I'm also a musician. You people normally know me on my page, on my YouTube page. For this one, I just want to give you special tips for your body structure, how you can keep yourself healthy and you keep your structure fine. So that's what I normally do every morning, and I will still bring another tips There are other ones, just that I'm tired for today. So today's what? Today's Thursday. At least next week Thursday, I'll bring another one, another tips what you can do. But keep on watching my page, keep on subscribing and likes and share, comments. This particular video, if you like it, comments. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. I will reply it. Love you, respect.